welcome to our very first awards assembly of the year. We're going to have several awards that we will share, and you may earn an award this time, you may earn one next time. We are always working hard and we are always learning here. All right, our first award is the Terrific Citizen Award, and this month we were looking at the character trait of respect. So the students that I am going to say their name, these students have all shown wonderful respect in the classroom and outside of the classroom. The first is Laree Waite. There. Very good. Mila Jones. Betty Ballard. There you go. Lila Dubray. Gwyneth Lamore. Gwyneth, come on up, honey. There you go. Ella Lamenta. Ella, are you here? No Ella today. Everly Frazier. There you are. Hey, Ella. I missed you out there. Congratulations. And each of our friends who have earned this award got a t-shirt from the Kiwanis. And Daniel is here to help represent the Kiwanis today. And they work to help take care of our community. Our next award is the Mathematician of the Month. You have been working hard on learning your numbers, recognizing your numbers, and learning to count objects in the classroom. Our first student is Mia Hill. Very good, Mia. There you go. Jenny Randall. There you are, Jenny. Mathematician. Elias Evans. Very good, Elias. Reagan Jones. Trenton Woods. Lucy Hamilton. And Lily Johnson. While we are taking pictures, can I have Mrs. Flowers come up? And she is going to present our Art and Music Awards.
All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and start with our Music Awards because that's what I have on top. So my first award goes to Graham Daughtery. The next Music Award goes to Eli Stanbridge. Bryson Batista. Scarlett Lowry. Cooper Gaddis. Sadie Stark. And Serena Barnes. Good job, everyone.
I got a keychain.
The next awards are for art. I would like Naomi Sapples to come up. Kessa Williams. Marley Wise. Johnny Howery. Okay. Oakley Long. Not here? Okay. Oh, Johnny, you're here, buddy.
I think he's scared.
The next I need is Aubrey Koontz. And my last award goes to Wyatt Cheney. All right, I have awards for students who did a really good job in PE last month. So my first award is for Maverick Holder. There you go. I also had one for Oakley Long, but I guess he's not here. Pierce Wilson. Jolene Roberson. Edward Alley. Gunnar Goucher. Jerome Henderson. All right. Good job, guys. All right. So, some of you I know, I've seen your faces when I taught year counseling in preschool, but this is my first day back after having a little baby at home. So, I will get to know all of you kindergarten students here really soon, and I'm excited for that. My name's Mrs. Sumner, and I'm your school counselor. Now, I heard that there's been a lot of kids being good friends. And so at awards assemblies, my job is to present the Good Friend, the Fantastic Friend Award, which is nominated by your teachers. Your teachers can see if you're being kind and helpful and friendly at school every day. So, Luke Bradley is a fantastic friend. Come on up. Good job, Luke. Jack Myers. Wyatt Shaw. Brigham Fordyce. Brigham. Jaden Burgess. Colton West. West. Jesse Moreno. Congratulations to those friends. All right, we have one final award to give. I'm going to wait for your voices to be off. Your eyes up here. It's our very first time being in here. Your voices are off when other friends are getting their awards. The last one is our Supersonic staff member, and they get to have a gift card from Sonic to go and get whatever they want to get. And this month, she's not even in here, I don't think, is Miss Susie in the office. And then did you know that we had, she is right here. Miss Susie, come on down. She's very shy. Did you know, see, poor thing. She turns really red when she's up front. So did you know that we got a new computer system to keep track of all of our information? And that this new system has given a lot of our building secretaries big giant headaches. And we are really appreciative of the work that they put in beginning way back last year. They had to do a lot of studying so that it would go as smoothly as it has. So we want to thank Miss Susie. All right.